Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about some Batana oil hair growth. So this is from Amazon. It has a pretty good review. Me, myself, I've never used this product personally, but from the good review itself, you can tell it's pretty great. So I'm just going to read off. So this is a Batana oil that could help with your hair growth. So it can nourish and moisturize. It's easy to use, has vitamin E, and it's made of natural ingredients, right? So let's scroll down to the reviews now. This is a lot of before and after they advertise. Let's scroll down a bit. And these are interviews, right? So there's a lot of 5-star. My hair got chemically damaged due to letting at-home hair dye sit on my hair too long. And so I rubbed it on between my hands to break it up and warm it, then put it on the damaged hair for 20 and 30 minutes. Then shampoo and apply reconstructor and conditioner. It's also moisturizing for my hands this way. I definitely give it a try, right? So it's really good, it sounds like, but I'm just going to also read a couple of 1-star review as well, just so I need to sign in. Okay, never mind that. But there's also a 4-star review here. So when I first got this product, I will use it every day on my head. There is a small bald spot since, and I've been using this product. I've noticed the hair follicles started to produce hair in that spot. So they do mention a drawback here. My only drawback to this product is that the potency of the product doesn't seem that strong compared to other hair products. I've used this and my hair's not growing as fast as I thought it would, but it's still growing nevertheless, right? So based on the reviews, it seems that this product seems pretty good, but of course every hair is different, so don't expect anything yet until you've tried it.